Hello.
Hi. So,
Look at these pythons, baby. No. What's up, y'all?
We're making cheesecake. So, I got a recipe from my friend Heather a long time ago. It's old and battered and beaten up, and I put it in this little sleeve to preserve it.
So before we get into all that, I noticed we have a lot of new people that watches us. We are the Grayson Way. You see the channel. How y'all doing, by the way? I am Ron G. I am Ron. This is my wife. She goes by a lot of names, but we're gonna call her. I think she wants to be Donna, but her name is Dawn. I just want to give y'all an introduction because I noticed we got quite a few since the last time, my last video. I think I saw like 20 new subscribers. So,
oh wow, thank you.
I'm Ron. This is Donna. How y'all doing? Welcome.
So I do 3 1/4 packages of cream cheese. I use Philadelphia cream cheese because I like it the best. I did make it with the store brand once. Didn't like it as much. It doesn't come out as creamy. And it's just a standard package of cream cheese. Just the standard size. I guess this might be 8 ounces. Yeah, 8 ounces. So I do 3 1/4 package of that.
So you're going to tell them how you do it, so when they won't say, oh, why you do that?
What do you mean?
So while they're watching the videos, how I see you have your ingredients here, you want to tell the people what you put it. You know, some people don't cook like how I do.
Yeah.
So you may want to tell them how and what you put in there exactly.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm just reiterating. That's all. And say it slow, so because I see comments go, what she say? Or what I say? Oh, he crazy. Or whatever the case may be. You want me to put this
I don't
over
think
here?
I can say it any slower. I need that here so I can use it.
Oh, it could be slow. You never heard? Oh, I can't think of that
That's
guy's
why you
name.
can rewind.
What's that guy name? What's that actor guy name, y'all? He wear glasses, and he's all dry. I think he was in one of those Visine commercials. That dude talks crazy.
The dry eye.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I already separated that. So can I have a mason jar, please, to put this in? Put that in the fridge. And I need a butter knife. I mean a sharp knife, sorry. Next I'm going to do a 1/3 cup of, it says melted butter, but I just left this sitting out on the counter for several hours and it's really soft. So that's all I need. It just needs to be soft. And it gives you the measurements right on the side of most or probably all the butters. So I just need a 1/3 of that.
Gonna do all of it?
Nope, just the 1/3. And then I'm gonna just, you don't have to do this part, but I'm doing this part, just so I can smash it down in the pan.
And what are you doing exactly? Because they can't see that.
I'm just smashing it down the pan. And I'm just gonna blend these two things together.
Oh!
Get it poured out?
Yeah!
You might want to use a deeper bowl than I'm using.
Once you shut it off, it's good. They can't hear that.
I said you might want to use a deeper bowl than I'm using.
You want me to do it?
Okay. You wanted to attention.
Well, good.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. I was just thinking maybe you could do something else.
There's nothing else to do.
Where's the crust?
Over here. I'm going to show them the crust.
Sure.
So I usually...
Turn that off and go on top for them. They can't hear you. You have to turn it off.
So I usually use just the graham cracker crust. And by the way, this makes 2 pies. But my niece requested Oreo crust as well. So we're going to do 1 Oreo and 1 graham cracker. I personally don't like the Oreo crust, but it's not for me. I'm not eating it, so. Okay, next, I'm gonna throw in a can of sweetened condensed milk, just a can of milk, 14 ounces, 1 can.
Looks like pudding. Pudding.
And then 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I have to get over there. If you want to show them when I do it this time, you can. Kind of hold the camera over. Make sure you save the plastic tops because they cover the pies for transport. Alright. Now this is the point where I taste it before I put the raw eggs in. Some people don't have a problem eating raw eggs, but I do. So I just taste it to make sure it doesn't need any more vanilla. It shouldn't. If you follow the recipe exactly, it should be fine. So creamy. Just scrape these sides. I'll just put 2 eggs. Now some people break their eggs in a separate bowl just in case you mess up and get some yolk in there. I'm sorry, some shell in there, but I just don't.
She doesn't care if we eat shell.
I care. I'm just very careful not to get shell in there. Let me rinse my hands off.
A little shell won't hurt, right? A little bit.
Oh, that would be so gross. Have you ever bitten down on a shell?
Yes, I have.
Before on something?
Yep.
So gross.
Yes, I
Where's
have.
the towel?
I'll get you one. You flicking it on me.
I already dried them. Alright, now, so off camera we preheated the oven to 300. And I guess we can move this. This is for our dinner later. We're making a salad. Pour these into these pans, and you want it to be even amounts in each pan. You don't want to overfill them because it will rise a little. So I start off a little in this pan. And I come over here. And I really just go back and forth just to make sure I don't underfill one and overfill another.
So how high you think your I don't know, what do you call this stuff?
The pie filling?
What do you think your pie filling, how far you want it to go up and need it to go up? How high, how much you need to fill it?
You don't want it to just be overfilled. So I'll give you a marker after I'm done. I should get one of those bowls that have the pourer on the side.
That'd be nice. It'd make life easier.
Yeah, because that bowl is heavy. So, basically, you can see this one is more full than this one, but that's okay. Because this one's going to have filling on top. I have this cherry pie filling here. That's going to go on top of that one. This one's going to stay plain. So it's okay, that's a little... And like I said, I usually don't use this Oreo crust, but my niece wanted it. So I'm not going to put cherries on this one because I think the cherries and the chocolate will be gross. But I don't know. Not for me. Not my pie. So these are going in the oven now.
Now how long?
1 hour in the oven on 300. 1 hour. And then after the 1 hour, you take it out.
Talk to the people.
You take it out of the oven. I'm sorry, you don't take it out of the oven. After the 1 hour, you turn the oven off, open the doors, and leave it in the oven for another hour to set.
This is done?
Yep. And then after that, you just put it in the refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours, and then put your cherry topping on top at that point.
Oh, I won't leave y'all hanging. I'll make sure
We show you the finished
we
product.
show you all that.
Yeah.
As she doing it, once we take it out, you said an hour before we do that, right?
Yeah.
So you gotta wait an hour before you put the cherries on top.
Oh no, I have to wait an hour. It takes 2 hours.
Okay.
It's gonna cook for an hour.
Okay.
It's gonna set for an hour.
Okay.
Excuse me. Then you let it cool for an hour, or 2 or 3 in the fridge, and then you put the topping on.
So do we have to wait for it to get cold?
I usually wait until it's room temperature.
And how would we know that?
You feel the bottom of the pan.
So you fill the bottom and that determines...
That's no longer warm or hot or even lukewarm.
So you want room temperature.
Yeah, because you don't want this to go on a hot pie.
Do you want me to put those right up against the lens? Or
You won't be able to see it.
Or do you want to say it out loud? Just in case for the people that...
So 1/3 cup of melted butter, 3 1/4 packages of 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 14-ounce can of sweet condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 1 can of cherry pie topping, 2 pie crusts, because this recipe makes 2 pies. And basically I put everything, I put the butter in first with the cream cheese, then I put the milk, then the extract, then the eggs, and I put the eggs in last so that I can taste it first. You don't have to taste it first, the recipe is precise, but I just want to taste the batter, and I don't want to do it with eggs in it. And again, bake it for 1 hour at 300. Leave the cheesecake in the oven after that hour and open the door. Leave it in for an additional hour to set.
Now, we turning off the oven, or we just open it up?
Yes, turn off the oven.
Okay.
And then you refrigerate up to 6 hours and then add the cherry topping. But, you know, you can add the cherry topping whenever you feel like it. I usually just wait an hour or two, depending on how busy I am. And then go back and add it, close it up, put it in the fridge. And it's delicious.
And we will show you guys the finishing product. So
yes.
We'll be back.
We'll be back.
Hi everyone. I'm back. I just wanted to show you guys a quick little snippet of how the pies look. They already completed their hour in the oven at 300. And now it has to do a full hour of cool down. This was the quickest I was able to get back. That's why it's at 47 minutes. And check them out. They look good.
So, hi, we're back. The pies are done. This is one. You want to show it to them? That's the one that's not getting topping.
You know, see that? That's that. There you go. Boom.
And this is the one that's getting the topping. So basically,
Can you slide it over?
slide to the left.
So I'm gonna give. My wife is about to get all the action right now. All right, y'all.
And just pour this on. Now, usually I spread this one can on both pies. So this is getting a lot of topping on this one. I was thinking I should do half on that one.
I wouldn't do it.
None?
Nah.
Because this is a lot of topping for one pie.
Do a little. Do a little then.
I'll do half.
Give it a little. A little bit. I think that's good. That's good. Wow, that's a lot for one pie.
Yep. So I'll just spread this out.
You can put a little bit more on that side if you want to.
I'll just leave it a little and put some of this. Bless you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So yeah, that is done. And
Give you a close up.
yeah.
That's the Oreo, right?
Yeah.
And this is the plain, right?
Yeah.
Well, not so plain.
Well, the graham cracker crust.
The graham cracker crust.
And
I must admit, that looked good, y'all. But I don't eat cheesecake.
yeah. And this is the pie filling that I used. And that's that.
That looks funny, though.
It's only half. So this is for my family, and my brother's gonna take them to New Jersey for me. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or anything about how to make them, let me know.
Bye.
Bye.